simple habits can make the whole world change for you. Now, a simple habit for me that's completely changed my life has been to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and take my Synthroid. Why does that matter when I'm showing you my kids eating breakfast? And there's a bowl over there. Because before I bothered to get up and then take my medicine and go back to bed, I was never able to eat with my family for breakfast. So, a simple habit can change a lot. My name's Sam Groff of Omnibiz Services, and we help you generate courses that have 5-star reviews with recurring revenue streams. So the point I'm trying to make with online courses and the simple habit of eating breakfast with my kids is really easy. When you try to take a small thing that has been causing you a headache, which was I didn't get to eat breakfast with my kids, and you look at it and you try to find multiple solutions for it, sometimes the easiest solution is smacking you in the face, and that is a small one. So all I did with my life was I changed to getting up at 5 a.m., taking my medicine, and going back to bed. Then I can actually eat with these two and enjoy my morning and enjoy like my simple ritual of eating breakfast with 2 crazy kids.
Hi.
That were super excited to shoot a video this morning. So realize this, with your online course, you need to be connecting with your students, you need to be connecting with your clients, and you need to find simple solutions. What are they? Sometimes it's the smallest incremental change that makes the best results. Until next time, I'm Sam Groff of Omnibiz Services. Have a good one. Bye-bye.